Hey people, so this is the first time ever that I've decided that my tiny little 7 year old will give a book, like a review. And the thing is, as of yesterday, we bought these rather expensive. It's called the Snickers. No, not Snickers. Sorry, it is what
Skechers.
Skechers are these shoes, and my 7 year old will tell you just why we need to. Why do you like Skechers, the brand?
Because it's colorful.
Because it's colorful, and is it comfortable?
Sport shoes.
Yeah, it is comfortable, and it's a very honestly, it's a very status symbol thing, and
This
even
is
at
for
his age, they
32 and I'm 31.
yeah. Okay, but it's a comfortable shoe. So Skechers, Ayush, you'll recommend these shoes, right?
I'll just put it on so it could fit.
Okay. So yeah, so this the review is going nowhere really, but this is the first ever review from a 7 year old. So on that note, thanks
Don't
for
cut it now, Mom.
okay.
I'm gonna see how it fits. See it
Okay,
fit
this
it.
is how it looks. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe
And do the bell and do the bell and do
Oh.
thumbs up
yes.
and share this to your friends.
Yes. So thanks for watching. Bye.